Hey guys, we're Daires and Akilah of DIY Power Couple
And we're here to help you update your home
and save money by doing it yourself.
Have you ever wanted to update your bathroom, but you're a beginner DIYer on a budget and you don't really know where to start? In this video, we'll show you a bathroom makeover anyone can do. And even if you don't have the professional skills or the thousands of dollars to really do a bathroom makeover, let's take a look at the things we can do. You can definitely paint your vanity, the entire vanity. And I'm talking about we can paint the fixtures, the countertop, the actual cabinet, anything that we want to brighten up and change the color, we can do that with paint. And for us, the easiest way to pick your paint colors is with peel and stick paint samples. I love that they can give you an exact color match so you can see what it'll look like in your space, and then you can just peel it off. We'll leave a link to all the products and to each DIY project video in the description below. You can start with your countertops, and here's how we did it. Painting a countertop has a lot of fumes, but it is transformational. Once it cured, we were ready to prime the cabinets. Now we can take our peel and stick paint sample to the store and get that pop of color for the vanity cabinet. If you could only do one thing to your bathroom, this is where I would start. Because the vanity is like the biggest piece of furniture in your bathroom. And so when you change that, it can change the whole look. I am always surprised at how a simple color change can make such a difference in the bathroom. And it's really an affordable product to transform your bathroom. While hubby's putting on the second coat, I want to show you what else you can do with paint in your vanity. You can paint your fixtures with colors you like. See, these pulls were the ones we really liked because of their shape, but they were not the right color. So we grabbed a can of primer and our metallic gold, and we were able to customize on a budget. And this is something easily you can do. Instead of spending money on replacing our light fixture, we just painted that too. I'm going to show you another easy beginner-friendly update you can do to your bathroom, and that is to build your own mirror frame. This DIY can definitely give life to those builder-grade mirrors with the clip showing like ours has. We looked online to find some inspiration and definitely some price motivation, and this is what we came up with. So let's see how we did. You can create a bathroom makeover that looks like you spent thousands. Giving your vanity a refresh and a little pop of color can be such an easy DIY. Now you see what you can do, so let's add something behind the toilet and create an accent wall. You guys know, a small bathroom makeover is one of the top home improvement projects people make to refresh their space and increase the value. We pretty much used paint, blind slats, and leftover mirror trim to create texture on our walls. We want to encourage you to let your creative juices flow and try something new in your space. We'll see the final look at the end, so let's get into this next project. Painting your bathtub. If you can be without your tub for a few days and your tub is in good shape, a good DIY tub refinish can save you so much money and is totally worth it. This is one of the best money-saving, demolition-free DIY projects you can do in your bathroom. This project mostly requires patience because you need to have time to let the paint cure. This is how we transformed our fiberglass tub. We could see a difference after the first coat of primer. We still had 2 coats of the top paint to do. We loved transforming our dull tub into something so bright and fresh. Painting a tub is a simple way to save money on a bathroom makeover. And all the money you save can go towards your new peel and stick floor. If you've been following us, then you know how we feel about peel and stick. It is the easiest, most affordable way to change your flooring that we have ever seen. We like to install peel and stick flooring after we've done all of our painting. We prepped the ceramic subfloor, and this time we laid the tiles in a diagonal pattern. This helps the space to appear much bigger than it is. A 45-degree slant is perfect for a small bathroom like ours. Peel and stick vinyl tile is so easy to clean and maintain. And even though it's water resistant, we added pre-mixed vinyl grout to help waterproof our floor. Here are some of the finishing touches we added to this bathroom. We just completed an entire bathroom makeover, so let's check out the big reveal. There's so many projects you can do to make your bathroom look nice, even if you're new to DIY and on a budget. Thank you for watching and supporting our channel, and we look forward to connecting with you in the comments. See you next time. And you can find all the videos for our small bathroom makeover on our channel.
And remember, you can DIY too.